In this video, you will learn how to pronounce the names of 30 popular emojis in American English. Winking face, smiling face with smiling eyes, flushed face, face with raised eyebrow, face holding back tears, face with tears of joy, pouting face. This emoji is also called the angry face, partying face, exploding head, smiling face with sunglasses, smiling face with 3 hearts, starstruck, smiling face with heart eyes, loudly crying face, angry face, sleeping face, thinking face, grimacing face, face with hand over mouth, astonished face. This emoji is also called the shocked face, relieved face, zany face, nauseated face, loudly crying face, neutral face, rainbow, smiling face with halo, folded hands. This emoji is also called praying hands, face blowing a kiss. Post your favorite emojis in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click that notification bell so you'll be notified when we upload our next video. Until next time, take care and happy learning.